Hey guys, my name is Kenya Horton, and if you have watched any of our YouTube videos, I just want to say welcome. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click subscribe and you can stay up to date on our channel. I want to share with you my experience with iMarketsLive. I'm sorry if I look a hot mess right now. I'm home full time. I trade. I rarely get sleep. Just came from the gym, but I'm almost a year into trading. And I was just sitting and reflecting and thinking like, wow, I have come such a long way. And I just really wanted to share that with all of you. When I first joined iMarketsLive, it was in November of 2017. I had never heard of Forex trading before. I was doing a health and wellness opportunity as a network marketer, was totally loving what I was doing. But I got to a point where I was tired of my income being reliant on other people's effort. I wanted to still be able to lead people, help people, enjoy what I was doing without the pressure of having to put business under them. If you're a network marketer, you understand what I mean. I was just done with that, to be honest. But I didn't know what to do. I was like, okay, I've built this really nice, comfortable income, but I'm struggling to keep it, and I just got so stressed out that I just wanted free of that. So I said, what can I do to where I'm still home full time with my children? I'm still able to contribute to my household. I still love what I do. And I came across Forex. And so I did my research like a lot of you are probably doing. And I did research on the company. What I liked about iMarketsLive is that, number one, they are reputable. Number two, they are financially sound. They have no debt. And number three, they have momentum. To be a new company and in the marketplace since I believe 2013, this company is doing amazingly well, okay? Everything hasn't been perfect. As you know, with a new company, you're gonna have some bumps in the road, but they've figured those things out and they're moving along. They're growing aggressively in the marketplace. They are doing something that no one else is doing. And it reminds me of for-profit education. If you're aware of, for example, with University of Phoenix entered the education sector doing what no one else did. They wanted to target working professionals who didn't have the opportunity to go back to school to get an advanced degree because they were working all the time. No one really cared to cater to that market. So Christopher Terry found an opportunity in the marketplace and provided an opportunity to average people like you and I who probably haven't been educated on how to make money this way, who have no idea what Forex is, who is looking for time, financial freedom, and who want to do that without necessarily having to recruit or build a team. Or that's what I love about Forex trading and iMarketsLive. You do not have to build a team. When I first started, I didn't know that network marketing was even attached to it. I was like, oh my gosh, they have a network marketing opportunity. And when I learned about the business opportunity, I said, I'm not interested in that. I was like, I'm done with people. I just need a break and I just don't want to do that right now. So I got started as a trader, you guys. Recruiting was never my focus. It was never my priority. It still is not my priority. The way that I've been successful on the business side is by sharing my knowledge with other people. Simply, that's it. And if you look at our YouTube channel, you'll see that natural progression and see exactly how we've grown our business. And that's how it's been. It's been for me being very transparent about this business, about my results, talking about my struggles, talking about my wins. And I think people following us on social media and seeing our progression. So when I first started, I went through IML Academy, which is the education platform, and IML Academy teaches you everything you need to know. There's a basics area, an intermediate area, and advanced. When I first went through the academy a few times, it was a lot. It was a little overwhelming, and I felt a little intimidated because, like I said, I've never been taught how to make money this way. But every time I went through it, I took very detailed notes. Like, this is probably my 10th time going through it. I keep these notebooks and I just go through it over and over and over again. And every time I have gone through IML Academy, it's like a light bulb goes off in my head and it starts to click and I start to understand it more. And now that I'm almost a year into this, it takes time to really master and develop trading. A lot of people are not going to tell you that. If you're looking for something where you can, get started, make $1,000 in your first month, that's possible if you're over leveraging your account, but you don't want to do that. And so if you are looking for something quick, Forex trading is not for you. If you're looking for, isn't it funny because most people say things like this are a scam, and when it's too quick, then that's kind of interesting. But to be honest, if you're looking for something to do for like 30 days, 60 days, do not do Forex trading. Do not sign up with iMarketsLive. If you're looking for something long-term where you really want to provide financial freedom to yourself and your family. You want to set yourself up for life. This is what Forex trading can do for you. And I say that from my personal experience of just seeing my growth and what I've gone through, what I've experienced, where I'm headed, from the struggles to the frustration. Some of my challenges in starting Forex trading is that, number one, I wasn't mentally prepared. So what I mean by that is that in trading, you can get very comfortable with winning all the time. Okay. I learned a strategy. I was having great success, a lot of wins. But when the consecutive losses started coming for whatever reason, because maybe I had a bad day, or maybe I wasn't focused, I wasn't in the zone, so many different things, I just was like, oh my gosh, like mentally, I had a breakdown, honestly. And I questioned if I could do this. I questioned if this opportunity was right for me. I questioned all these different things that normally you're going to do when you have a new business or you have anything new, a new baby, a new marriage, like all those different things. But one of the things, like I told you, that inspired me was that a lot of wealthy people have make money from Forex trading. Okay, this market has been controlled by wealthy people. So I know that it works. I just needed to learn how to work it. So I kept going and I read books. I read a book by Mark Douglas called Trading in the Zone. That took my trading to a whole nother level. IML started implementing different courses on mental preparation. That helped me out significantly as well. My other challenge was risk management. A lot of traders struggle with risk management. And what I mean by that is how to control your risk. When you're going into a trade, how much are you going to risk? How much of your money are you going to risk? How much should you risk? Honestly, I didn't fully understand that. I went through it in IML Academy, but I was so excited just to get into a trade, to make money. And you're going to feel this way too. We all go through it. And I would over leverage my account. I've only blown an account twice, I believe. Twice. One, I remember that was like probably 2 months ago now, and it was a horrible experience. Oh my gosh, it was horrible, but it happens. And I'm transparent about that because you need to know that none of us are perfect, okay? Anyone you see out here who is flaunting, making all this money and, all this, like maybe they are, but a lot of people are not going to talk to you about losses. They're not going to show you the losses. They're not going to be transparent about that type of stuff. And you need to know that it exists, okay? So yes, I've had losses, and those losses have taught me how to it's taught me about myself, what I needed to correct, what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths. So when I discovered that I'm not so great at risk management, I got out of a live account. I stopped trading live. I went into a practice account, a demo account, until I proved myself worthy enough to be able to trade in a live account. And those are things that IML will teach you and things that you should do in order to help you be a successful trader. But now, almost a year in, I feel super confident, you guys. I feel super confident in my trading ability. I'm so excited about where I am. I just really soak up trading, and I love being able to master it and help somebody else learn it. And so that is how I've been able to aggressively explode on the business side. But like I said, recruiting is never my number one focus with IML. I am a trader. That is why I joined iMarketsLive, and I've had nothing but a fantastic and rewarding experience. I will tell you that this company works, the products work, and all you have to do is work it like anything else. You come in, you learn about yourself, allow yourself to be new, allow yourself to make mistakes, go over the academy multiple times. I'm talking about multiple times, you guys, as many times as you can. Attend IML TV, which is golden. Learn with the educators, the pros who have been there, done that, and who are making money in the market. They know what they're doing. Get on with those people and trade as much as you can every day. I started doing that, watching Kevin and Kyle, watching so many different of my favorite IML TV educators, and I started learning how to do what they do. I now am a price action trader. I know how to look at the market and discover an opportunity at almost any time. That's what I'm working on mastering now. But when I first started, I was very basic. I was using a ton of indicators, which I still know how to do. And I feel that that helped me to make some money. So I teach other people how to do that. And then I encourage them and say, hey, your trading is going to change along the way. When you're comfortable graduating into something else, you do that. But for now, I'm going to teach you how I made money and what worked for me. So guys, that's been my experience with iMarketsLive. I just want to share with you that I strongly believe in this company. And I only say that because of my personal experience and what I've been able to attain personally. I am a consistently profitable trader. I do have losses from time to time. And, You know, nothing is guaranteed in trading. You never want to trade just to make money. You want to trade well. And that is always my focus. Making money was never my number one priority. It was to learn to trade well. If you learn to trade well, you will be profitable. So I hope this video is very helpful for some of you out there, someone who's watching. Like I said, if you have questions, comment on this video. I am more than happy to help you, to be transparent, to answer your questions. And I just hope that you have an awesome experience in Forex trading, no matter which platform you choose. All the best to you, and God bless you all.